Today, I am going to draw pear. So, let's get started. First, draw the branch. Draw a curved line extending from one side to the other. Then, add a parallel line to the branch. Draw a teardrop shape of leaf with the branch. Draw a central vein down the middle of each leaf, then add smaller veins branching out from the central vein. Leaves have a pointy tip and a wider base where they attach to the stem. Now draw some more zigzag lines for branches of leaves. Now draw a teardrop shape of leaf attach with the branch. Draw a central vein down the middle of each leaf, then add smaller veins branching out from the central vein. Now draw a short, slightly curved line at the top of the pear for the stem. Start by drawing a rough pear shape. It's like an upside-down teardrop with a wider bottom and a narrower top. Then draw one more pear shape that looks like on the back side of the front pear. Smooth out the outline of the pear to make it look more natural. Add small, light dots and subtle lines on the pear to give it texture and make it look more realistic. Now, go over your marker to finalize the drawing and make it more prominent. Remember to take your time and adjust the details to your liking as you progress through each step. Erase any unnecessary guidelines. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorials for kids. Now our drawing is completed, so it's time to add some colours. Colour the branch. Use shades of brown for the branch. Add darker browns for texture. Colour the leaves. Use different shades of green for the leaves. Colour the pear. Use shades of green, yellow, or a mix to colour the pear.